So there's so many new people following along, and I stumble across these older tutorials like this one from 2020 that I realized you guys have never probably seen. But this one is so fun, and there's a lot of little techniques that we learn in this tutorial while creating this super cute design. Now I'm only going to use 3 paint pens for this entire design. I've got a light green, this is a fine tip, a dark green fine tip, and then I use an extra fine tip black for lining and lettering. Now these are water-based paint pens, so as you can see here, I'm blending these 2 colors together just using the paint pen itself because it's going to blend out and I don't have to worry about that. Now I'm also coming back in with the green and creating kind of a darker area on each one of the peas. And then with our black extra fine tip paint pen, we're going to line our peas. And now we're going to add in shadows. Now I love this technique. We're going to lay down just a couple dots of our black paint pen. And then with a paintbrush, it's just damp. It's not wet. You could dunk it in water and dry it mostly off. Just kind of wiggle along that black line and you're going to be able to create a shadow. It's going to make your peas sink back like they're sitting right in these pods. So next we're just going to finish it off by doing wide set eyes, a little smile, our phrase, spread happiness, and then a little white highlight in the upper right hand corner of each one of your little peas. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Follow along for more fun and easy rock painting ideas.